Guthrie is a not-for-profit integrated healthcare system designed to offer patients a full spectrum of health services incorporating primary care, complex specialty care, behavioral health sciences, surgical services, inpatient care, durable medical equipment services, home health, long-term care, palliative care, and hospice care. Our integrated approach strives to create a better experience for our patients in all aspects of their care. Guthrie emergency medicine residents have the benefit of receiving excellent medical training while working one-on-one with physicians who are eager to teach and strive to foster a collegial learning environment. Many of our faculty are involved in research and enjoy mentoring and collaborating with residents on research opportunities. The Skills Lab at Guthrie Robert Packer Hospital provides an appropriate and welcoming setting for residents, fellows, students, and physicians to gain proficiency with or brush up on a variety of techniques. This represents a departure from traditional see one, do one, teach one methodology, instead offering hands-on training prior to a patient encounter. The Skills Lab hosts lectures, simulation sessions, and scheduled training. The Skills Lab has 5 dedicated rooms, including 3 training rooms equipped and staged appropriately to the skill being practiced, 1 lecture space, and an office. Equipment that you will train with as an emergency medicine resident includes bronchoscopy intubations, Noelle birthing trainer, Trauma Man, Central Line Man, various airway simulation mannequins, and sonographic tools. Central line kits and sterile supplies are provided for training purposes, and residents have around-the-clock access to hone our skills independently as well. At Guthrie's Patterson Auditorium, you will be attending medical grand rounds. Our medical grand rounds seek to promote excellence and quality in clinical care, introduce clinicians to recent advances in medical care, provide updates on scientific advances that affect the practice of medicine, and provide a forum for discussion of topics that strengthens the relationship of medicine to the broader community.
Our Level 2 Trauma Center at Guthrie Robert Packer Hospital serves a large geographic area, covering about 10,000 square miles and 11 counties in north central Pennsylvania and south central New York. To better meet the needs of a growing patient population, Guthrie has unveiled a newly renovated emergency department in 2019 that is specifically designed to increase space, privacy, efficiency, and our clinical capabilities. Our emergency department has state-of-the-art amenities including private rooms, 3 resuscitation bays, critical care treatment spaces, and a fully equipped decontamination area. Our resuscitation bays are equipped with the latest airway equipment, including a Glidescope with bronchoscopic capabilities, a variety of supraglottic airway devices, and surgical airway equipment. We also have a self-contained neonatal resuscitation isolette. Our emergency medicine residents work closely with the trauma team and our EMS services, including Guthrie Air, our helicopter service that services a 50-mile radius around our hospital. Most trauma and critical patients in the area are transported to our emergency department. Ultrasound plays a large role in our residents' training, and there is a state-of-the-art Philips Spark available for bedside use. Our state-of-the-art ICU offers 26 private intensive care rooms, including 8 rooms for patients with unique infection control needs, a specifically designed intensive care procedure room, and increased space for facilities and family members. It is located adjacent to the emergency department and on a floor directly below the operating room to help minimize patient transfer times. Our emergency medicine residents have many rotations in the unit where we are fully integrated into the medical and surgical ICU teams. Here, you will learn the long-term management of the critically ill and injured patients we resuscitate in the emergency department. Guthrie Robert Packer Hospital has 16 operating rooms with state-of-the-art medical equipment. We operate a full range of procedures from same-day surgery to open-heart surgeries and complex neurosurgery. As an emergency medicine resident on off-service rotations, you'll be spending time here either learning procedures with anesthesia or scrubbing in to help with trauma and emergency cases. Most operating rooms have the latest anesthetic machines and Omnicell drug delivery systems. The OR suite also features a block room with 2 fully monitored beds and state-of-the-art ultrasound machines to perform nerve blocks. Our operating rooms continue to evolve with new technologies and state-of-the-art equipment, such as a cardiopulmonary bypass machine, Da Vinci robot for robot-assisted surgeries, and an O-arm for intraoperative CT scans. Our hybrid room features a fully functioning radiology suite and serves as the home for vascular surgery. Other rooms feature advanced laparoscopic screens for minimally invasive and bariatric surgeries. The Guthrie Cardiac and Vascular Center is the regional leader in cardiovascular care, with the largest and most experienced team in our area. We have specialists at 13 locations in Pennsylvania and New York. We see a wide variety of complex cardiac patients that often start their care in our emergency department. The Heart and Vascular Center is a 17,000 square foot state-of-the-art space for cardiac catheterization, electrophysiology, and structural heart treatments. The patient is at the center of all care, with private rooms, close proximity to the ICU, and operating rooms, and spacious waiting areas for family and real-time updates of their loved one's status. Just walking through our beautiful campus, nestled in the Twin Tiers, you will see a community of people and a warmth of knowing you are welcomed. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour, and if you want to experience hands-on emergency medicine training with eager and caring faculty amongst a population with diverse and often advanced pathology in a recreational paradise, then I would invite you to explore what Guthrie has to offer. We are here to help you find your success.